Once you've created some content, you can also click the Organize Book menu to see how that content is structured in your book. The Organize page presents all of the content that's been created for your book. The first section is called Front Matter. Front Matter is where you can put things that typically go at the beginning of a book. Things like introductions, preface, etc. Your book probably has an introduction by default, but you can click Add Front Matter to add new front matter types. You could add an epigraph, a foreword, or so on. Coming back to the Organize menu, you'll also see something called Main Body. This is known as a part in Pressbooks, or a section. Your book can have as many parts as you like. To add a new part, click Add Part. I might call this Section 2 and click Save. Coming back to the Organize menu, you'll see I now have a new part in this book. And a part can receive chapters. Chapters can be put inside of parts. In this case, I might want to move the new chapter I created down into Section 2. I can also move the other chapter down into this part. And once they're there, I can rearrange them by moving them up or down, or by clicking Move Up, Move Down on an individual chapter. Finally, you see Back Matter. Back Matter is where you put content that typically goes at the end of your book. Just like with Front Matter, you can click Add Back Matter to add a new Back Matter content. Here you can see all the different available back matter types, an afterword, a conclusion, a dedication, etc. So you're able to create front matter, parts, chapters, and back matter from this Organize menu. And you can also organize and locate them as you see fit. You'll also see the same options you saw in the Visibility and Publish screen on the individual chapters. Show in Web, Show in Exports, and Show Title. You can toggle these on or off for individual pieces of content, front matter, back matter, chapters, or you can select the label at the top to toggle them for an entire section or part. This will toggle them on or off. This is just turn Show Title on, Show Title on, Show Title on. At the top of the page, you'll also see a global privacy status for your book. This global privacy status controls whether the book itself is visible to the world or visible only to people that have an account that you've invited. Your book may start as a private book, and when you click Public, it means that anyone with the link will be able to see your book, the homepage of the book, as well as any content that you've selected to show in Web. If, for example, I turned this Show in Web option off, the introduction, chapter title, and appendix would be visible, but chapter 1 would not be visible. If, however, I toggled the global privacy to private, none of this content would be visible because the global privacy takes precedence over the settings at the individual chapter level.